Hi, this is Nicholas with BLUEMOTH Hearing. Let's get your hearing aids connected to your phone and to the myPhonak app. To begin with, ensure that you go to either the Apple App Store or the Android Google Play Store and download the myPhonak app. Once the app is installed, ensure that you have your hearing aids nearby ready to connect. Follow the prompts on your screen within the myPhonak app until you get to the point where it asks you to have your hearing aids ready to connect. To do this, you can simply push and hold on the lower buttons of the rocker switches on your Phonak hearing aids until you see a red light appear. This means the hearing aids are turning off. After a few seconds, simply push and hold those same buttons again until the green light appears, indicating that the hearing aids are back on. This will put the hearing aids into pairing mode for the next minute or two. And at this point, you can then proceed and discover your hearing aids within the screen on the myPhonak app. If you do not have easy accessibility to those buttons and you have your charger nearby, you can always plug in your charger, put the hearing aids in the charger, and this will also turn them off. Removing the hearing aids from the charger will turn them back on and put them into pairing mode for the same amount of time. Once you see your hearing aids on the myPhonak screen, simply tap and connect them to the myPhonak app. Continue to follow the prompts within the myPhonak app and you will be prompted to connect your hearing aids to your phone for Bluetooth streaming capabilities. All of these connections can be done within the myPhonak app. So once you have proceeded through all of the steps that Phonak requests of you and you reach the main screen where you can adjust volume and change programs, you're all set to go.